Hi class, today I'm here to make sure you've chosen the correct course this semester and give you some options for making a change if you need to. By choosing to be enrolled in intermediate algebra, you've decided to be on the STEM track. The STEM track prepares students to do well in the algebra-heavy courses of college algebra or math for business and economics. These are the introductory level, college level courses, and college algebra is also the first course on the calculus track. You want to make sure that the degree plan you've chosen requires one of these two courses if you're deciding to take intermediate algebra. If it doesn't, you may find that you don't need this course. We have an alternative course to intermediate algebra that is not based in algebra. It's instead based in quantitative reasoning. That is on our non-STEM track, and it's called Developing Mathematical Thinking. This is a preparatory course for college mathematics or elementary statistics. All four of these courses are core introductory courses. All four satisfy the Texas core requirements. However, each degree plan may have different requirements. For technology and mathematical programs, you're going to need one of these courses. For humanities, you're going to need one of these courses. If you're not sure what you need, you can go ahead and log in and look at your degree map. If you don't know how to do that, you can contact me. If you're still not sure, send me an email or meet with your advisor. There is a little wiggle room after add drop to move you from intermediate algebra to developing mathematical thinking if you need to. So don't drop the course if you're not sure. Make sure to contact me if you need help making that decision. One thing to keep in mind is our non-STEM track is not offered via distance learning. These are all lecture courses that meet in the classroom. So be sure to contact me if you're not sure you're in the right spot or if you're interested in moving to the non-STEM track. The last thing I want to talk to you today about is your course materials in your textbook. So this is the hardcover book. We're using the 3rd edition of Intermediate Algebra. At the ACC bookstore, they sell a 3-hole punch version with a MyMathLab access code that's acceptable as well. Whether or not you want this physical book or a paper binder book is up to you. That is optional. What is required is the MyMathLab access. The least expensive option for MyMathLab is to purchase it directly online. I believe it's about $104. When you purchase it, you get online access to a color copy of the textbook. It's exactly the same as the paper textbook and the pages are printable. However, before you make the decision to go online only, think about how you've learned in the past. Did you need to highlight and fold down pages and bookmark pages and return to them? Because if you needed to do that in the past, you probably will need to do that now as well. So make sure you make the right choice for you. If you're an Austin local, this is an older edition of the textbook. There will be many of them on the used book market. You may be able to find one for a couple bucks at half-price books. But just be careful when you buy a used book. It most likely will not have a usable MyMathLab access code and you'll still need to purchase that online. So make the decisions that's right for you. Ask me if you have any questions. Now, if you're in this decision zone between deciding between STEM and non-STEM, make sure you use the free trial for MyMathLab and don't purchase the MyMathLab access. It's not refundable. In order to use the free trial, when you get to the registration page, under where it asks for an access code or PayPal or credit card information, you'll see a blue link that says use the free trial. I encourage you to use that and then make sure that you pay for it in time. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to email me and let me know. I'd be happy to help you with degree planning as well if you have any questions about that. Okay, thanks very much.